Welcome to Flourish Academy. Today we're building something super cool, your own very AI pet. But guess what? This pet can get hungry, it can get sad, and it can get happy depending on how you treat it. And the best part, we're building it completely in scratch. Let's get started. First, let's choose our pet sprite. I'm going to use the dog sprite, so I just search for dog. Now pick puppy. Then I'm going to come to costume. This I'll change to, you can see costume, change it to normal. While the second one I change it to happy. While the third one I'm going to change it to sad rather. Now I have 3 different emotions: normal, happy, and then sad. I'll leave the last one in. Now I'm going to go to my variables and pick, which I'm in variables already. Yes, variables here. Make a variable hunger for all sprites, and then make a variable happiness. Now I have 2 variables, hunger and happiness. Now ensure that you select for all sprites so everyone can use it. Now next thing we're going to do now is we're going to go to events. We're going to pick when green flag clicked. Then we're going to add set hunger. So in variables, we're going to pick set happiness to 5. Just duplicate. Put it under it. You pick under. Now we have set hunger to 5, set happiness to 5. Now this means that every time the game starts, our pets begins balanced, not too hungry and not too sad. So yeah, we should look at this. It should be on normal. I'll go to add the forever loop in control, and inside I'm going to add wait 3 seconds from motion. Okay, my bad, it should be in control. So we have wait 3 seconds. Then go to variable and pick change hunger by 1, change happiness by 1. By -1 rather. Now this is what makes our pets feel alive. Every 3 seconds, it gets a little more hungry and a little less happy. And that is how we mimic time inside our AI pets. Now, stay inside our forever loop. I'm going to go to control and pick if then. So I'm going to say if hunger. Just give me a minute. Okay. So in variables, you should see hunger. So if hunger, nope, not. So go to operator and pick the greater than. Now come to variables and say if hunger greater than 8. Then go to nukes and pick say and sad for 2 seconds. Now, I'll just duplicate this, bring it under here, remove this guy, and go to variables and pick happiness. Give happiness greater than, sorry, it should not be greater than. So go to operators and say less than. So if happiness is less than 2, let's say Okay, so now it is saying I'm sad already, which is very, very correct for this. But if you are following me, you notice I also said I'm sad for hunger, and that is wrong. So I should say I am starving. Now, this is a simple artificial intelligence reacting based on data. Now, stay inside that forever loop. We are going to duplicate this. And then we'll say, so I need this. I need this first one. So it should be if happiness. So instead of hunger, if happiness greater than 6, we go to loops. We should say switch costume. I think I edited this already, okay? So switch costume to happy. So the next one should be if happiness less than 2, switch costume to sad. So let me say, I think we have something like that. If then else, okay? So let me just take this guy, take this entire guy, put inside here. And I'll put this here. So now we'll say else. So I'm going to take this guy and duplicate. So put it here. Else, if happiness less than 2, then switch costume to sad. Okay. Now. So now, let's rewrite this. So instead of this guy, we should say, so this is mildly correct. So save happiness. So this is what I'm going to do now. Just pay attention. We're going to take this if then. We're going to put it. When I save happiness greater than 6, so I'll duplicate. So I'll duplicate this, I'll put it here. And then I'll take this guy. And let me just take this guy. Now I'll put this inside here. So now I'll remove this completely. Then I'll put this inside here and this inside here. So it's supposed to just be if happiness greater than 6, switch costume to happy. If happiness less than 2, switch costume to sad. Else switch costume to normal. So I'll come to looks and take this and put it in switch costume to normal. And this is it for the sprite. And now our pet doesn't just talk, it shows emotions, and that makes it feels real. And the next thing we're going to do now is the food sprites. So I'm going to pick a food sprite. I'll pick apple. Now for the apple sprite, I'm going to go to events and say when, okay, So I think when this sprite clicked, go to variables, change hunger by -2. Let me see if I can get sound. Play sound from. Okay, you can see that now. And then there's the. Okay. Now you can do one. Okay. So now if you click, when you see that when you click on the food, our pets eat and feels less hungry. Now moving forward, we could say we pick another sprite. So I just look for a pad, not pad. Let me see controller J. Okay. If I can't find the pad, the pick button. Hmm. Can let's pick this button. I'm just going to have this button here. So I'm going to say when this sprite kick, go to intent. When this sprite kick, then change happiness by 2 in variables. Play sound up. Now when we play with our pets, becomes happier. And then we can kill our pets. Now, you can see that when we click on the green flag, hunger rises, happiness decreases. But when we click on food, the pet is sad, and if we click on this, our pet is happy. Now you see, happiness drops, hunger rises. When we click on play, but if we do not do anything, we ignore the pet until it complains. So you can see, now that we're not doing anything, let me see here. So hunger is in. Okay, now it has reset again. You can see it is sad because we are not playing with it, because we've ignored it. And that's it. You just beat your own AI pets in Scratch. We created a time system, motion system, warning system, and interactive buttons. That's exactly how real games are built, using logics and variables. Next episode, we're going to level this up by adding XP and a level system. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video at Fresh Feed Academy.